Hi, I'm Abby Gewirtz. I'm a professor in the psychology department at Arizona State University and also the author of a recently published book, When the World Feels Like a Scary Place: Essential Conversations for Anxious Parents and Worried Kids. I'm a clinical child psychologist by training and a prevention researcher. That is, I study, develop, test, and study the implementation of programs aiming to promote resilience in children by helping parents be their kids' best teachers. So, broadly speaking, I focus on parenting and how to help parents in particular who've been exposed to some kind of traumatic stress, whether that's a parent who's been deployed to war in Iraq or Afghanistan, or whether that's parents who maybe even with their children have fled conflict in their home country, or parents and kids exposed to other kinds of violence. One of the programs my team and I have been working on for the last more than 10 years is adaptive parenting tools, or ADAPT. It was originally known as after deployment adaptive parenting tools because we originally designed it to serve military families in which a parent had been deployed to Iraq or Afghanistan, and we started work on this right after the surges of around 2008, 2009 in both of those countries.
Stands for After Deployment Adaptive Parenting Tools. And that's because when the work was originally started by Dr. Gewirtz in Minnesota, that we were really looking to have a parenting program that supported military families during reintegration.
ADAPT focuses on helping parents who have been deployed to war, and now actually all military parents, to help promote their children's resilience by focusing on some core parenting skills. When we developed ADAPT, we specifically modified the typical PMTO, behavioral parent training program, by adding a focus on helping parents be their kids' best teachers when it comes to navigating emotions. So we all have emotions. Emotions are really important. We need to teach children how to, what to do with them, how to identify them, what they mean, and how to use them intentionally rather than being flooded and overwhelmed with emotions. We're all familiar with that experience and the experience of overwhelming emotions leading us to act in ways that we later regret. And that is no more so the case for somebody who's been exposed to a traumatic stressor. And so we thought it was very important in helping families exposed to trauma that we help parents manage or respond to big emotions, what we call emotion regulation, and also teach their children how to look after, care for, and identify their own big emotions, and that is the field of emotion coaching. So in ADAPT, in addition to teaching core parenting skills, such as teaching children using positive encouragement, teaching children problem solving, effective supervision and monitoring of kids, enjoying being with kids, positive involvement. In addition to those core and effective discipline, in addition to those core parenting skills, we added a new set of parenting skills that we call broadly emotion socialization. And in emotion socialization, we spend quite some time helping parents with emotion regulation strategies and also how to emotion coach, how to be an emotion coach of their children.